Hi, and welcome to this Obodux training video. So now we're in the risk management section. Risk management is carried out in accordance with ISO 14971-2019, which is harmonized with the majority of countries worldwide, particularly the MDR, the UK MDR, and the FDA. As you can see here, the section is divided into the risk management plan, the initial hazard review, the analysis matrix, and the risk management report. We use templates in accordance with ISO 14971 to ensure compliance and proper output. Let's start with the risk management policy. You'll notice that we can click the AI feature to generate a general risk management policy automatically. This will be created in accordance with ISO 14971. Next, we need to identify the responsibilities of the risk management team. We have a set of preloaded risk management activities, but these can be added or removed as needed. For demonstration, let's add a few team members, John A, Alice B, and so on. You can also include their roles or job titles. For this example, I'll just enter placeholder text to populate the fields. We can then select from the preloaded responsibilities or assign new ones if necessary. Once this is done, we can generate the plan and populate the different sections. For this demo, we'll just use example entries. The next step is to create the grading system. This includes the probability of harm and the severity of harm. Here, you can set thresholds. For example, improbable events might have a probability less than or equal to 0.01, with other ranges up to 0.1, and so on. You can assign values from 1 to 5 for each level. For the severity of harm, you can enter general descriptions. Death, permanent injury, injury that requires medical attention, injury that does not require medical attention, negligible, pain or discomfort without injury. These ranges can be customized to match your device. Since we've selected this as an active device, we also need to determine if the device has essential performance. For this example, it does. The essential performance is to display the correct heart rate. Next, we determine the risk levels. For instance, selecting low risk as 4 and high risk as 5 will calculate the risk, which you can see reflected in the risk matrix. If values are changed, the matrix updates live. You can also manually update entries if needed. For the criteria of risk acceptability, you can either use the Obodux suggestions based on standard practice or enter your own details. This also applies to the overall residual risk evaluation. Each option includes a help feature to ensure you understand why you are selecting it. If you want to provide a list of procedures, you can use the AI button to generate a general template. Alternatively, you can preload your own procedures and keep them by ticking the relevant box. Make sure the top-level tick box is also selected. Next, assign a title to the person responsible for reviewing and approving the plan, for example, the risk manager, and specify the review frequency, such as every 2 years. Finally, select which lifecycle stages are applicable to the medical device. Common stages include concept, planning, design, validation, and product phase, but these can be customized as needed. If a stage is not applicable, you can provide a reason. Once everything is completed, click Save. Thank you for watching this Obodux training video.